Nipa oye nipa boni fo we ase pa. E wo prophet Kobi na life. E yo so for Owusu Bempah. Me na me kan ye. Beautiful ye kan ye. Ye wona woka. Every 6 months, na so prophet Kobi or top brand new car. E de ma so for Owusu Bempah. Wo be ka kire ni say 2016 omo nkwasham kom. Na nyankopon aka kire wo say akufo adu ben wini. Na prophet Kobi say onanyame nkan asem nti wo say no. Omo de no way for be about omo be chinchim no man ti yisi kra omo be gene machine.
No, you're making allegation, please.
Oh,
please.
No, me hono kan.
No.
Oh, Ajimai.
I wasn't there, please.
Me, I was there.
Mr. Beautiful. 2016, which is 8 years now. Oh, wow.
I was there.
So you were a witness?
I was there.
Your floor bet media dance.
I was there. Na do we you know 2016. And the prophet Kobi Beshem come say Ghanaians will regret after 6 months.
Power the fair.
And when the so for Owusu Bempah so baka say was so the young fruits into Ghana be day. Around that time you know and eja Bempah free prophet Kobi so here no. All call me Kobi. The living room a two, you big living room, you small living room, you call small living room. Or catch any say, what's also she shan't come Ajimanu Grani out to form? Huh? Yes. As someone I am me you saw been a camera me 3 years. I was there.
Power the fair.
After that, no decided say me go sorry. Owusu Bempah na catch and say, what you want for me? One family spiritual father be me go sorry. Also no muja we kutu ne bafunu or you see some no more kind na ba ko cry no we no cry because of the bad things of Owusu Bempah did to prophet Kobi. The members say reduce, no two ways about that. Nipa oye nipa boni fo we ase pa. E wo prophet Kobi na life. E yo so for Owusu Bempah. Me na me kan ye. Beautiful ye kan ye. Ye wona woka.
So it's your own word.
It's my word. Nipa oye nipa boni fo pa we ase. E yo so for Owusu Bempah. Oh yeah, where he told Kenya Japan. I'm not catching Kenya Japan. Make any Japan we for be fire.
You were a staunch member of Prophet Badu Kobi's church.
I'm still.
You still a member?
Yes, sure. And I pay crime in Kaza.
The last time I was sorry that.
And I pay crime in Kaza.
No, the last time I was sorry that.
Last Sunday, ne minyakra.
Until the last time I was sorry that.
Echina Sunday, yeah. 2 weeks no more I saw them.
Prophet Badu Kobi sorry membership senate.
What in the maybe affect Prophet Kobi because of one person.
Who is that?
Owusu Bempah.
Oh no.
Prophet Owusu Bempah.
How can another prophet affect another prophet's ministry?
Yeah.
How can it be?
The moment a prophet Kobi boy na the onion and nanto bio, me jina no catch on telephone. Me go sorry. Me jina no catch no. So me go sorry.
One kaza.
Owusu Bempah. Catch prophet Kobi. Me jina no catch no.
No waguno.
O se me go sorry.
No waguno.
And no start here prophet Kobi no muja. We go to ne ba efu.
To bingo eba me nchen.
Okay.
Oba me nchen no say man of God. Some years back, you are one of my enemies.
Catch you playing.
Yes, you are one of my enemies. And Abusa say, why are you saying that? And I say, because you took Badu Kobi as your son. And Badu Kobi is not correct. Badu Kobi, I mean, he is worshipping idol. So I thought you are the same as Badu Kobi. Even I thought you are the one who taught Badu Kobi how to do some rituals, drink humans' blood, and so forth and so on.
About open pointing, drinking human blood.
Or catching me blame.
Maybe Saturday.
Say na o feel say men so me no nipa moja ni bi. Eno nti na me ye ne enemy and wife kura enemy. Eno nti time o hu sama ba bonte abeka se Badu Kobi edne ho awura ne ma bim. Nse se Badu Kobi enya me ba bim no. And o catch ne wife say to be frank with you, half of the small can be.
Oh, so one ben prophet Kobi to say the ameme ben na obi kasa asem wecho obi di nechi. Nipa oye nipa boni fo we ase pa. E wo prophet Kobi na life. E yo so for Owusu Bempah. Me na me kan ye. Beautiful ye kan ye. Ye wona woka.
So it's your own word.
It's my word. Nipa oye nipa boni fo pa we ase. E yo so for Owusu Bempah.
No. Can it be any we say? O say ewo. Abrabum.
E yo so for Owusu Bempah. every 6 months na so prophet Kobi or top brand new car e de maso for Owusu Bempah wo be ka kire ne say 2016 omo nkwasham kom na nyankopon aka kire wo say akofo adu ben wini na prophet Kobi say ono nyame nka asasam nti wo say no omo de no wefu bi aba omo be chinchim ne amanti yisi kra omo be gene machine.
No, you're making allegation, please.
Oh,
please.
No, me hono kan ye.
No.
Oh, Ajimai.
I wasn't there, please.
Me, I was there.
Mr. Beautiful. 2016, which is 8 years now. Oh, wow.
I was there.
So you were a witness?
I was there.
Your floor bet media dance.
I was there.
No, your floor bet media dance.
I was there.
No, that's not. It doesn't answer my question.
Ajimai. Sofu Kobi. Si nyankopon kansa asem ni nkyere no.
Wo si osofu
na do wini ye no 2016. And the prophet Kobi be shem come say Ghanaians will regret after 6 months.
Power FM.
And when Osofu Owusu Bempah so beka say waso da ye hu fruits. Inti Ghana be ye de. Around that time no and eja Bempah frɛ prophet Kobi so hia no. All come Kobi. The living room a two. You were big living room, you were small living room. You call small living room. Or catch any say what's also she shan't come Ajimanu Adriani out of form. Huh? Yes. As someone I am me you saw been a camera me 3 years. I was there.
Power FM.
After that, no decided say me go sorry. So for prophet Kobi wants some need your mama assemble. Ajimanu no touch me wrongly. Don't say anything negative about these two men. Don't try. Because I know them. Prophet Kobi, I know the man. No. Many Prophet Kobi started saying in 2012. Yeah. Samuel T.A. Way. Me, you can't say anything negative about Prophet Kobi to me. Oh. Me, I know the man. I know him very well.
Power FM.
But you ni penti. Me to me can say me to me the to Hamano because you nipa. But I know the man. Owusu Bempah na catch and say, what you want from me? When family your spiritual father be me go sorry. Also no muja. We could to bafunu. Or you see, some no more kind now. But who cry no way no cry. A tonkwa. Omuka kasa beautiful. Ne kan ye.
And then you're behind the Kamuti, your show.
Thank you.
They are watching, they are listening, so it's not me.
Beautiful ne kan ye. And the question now will be said, no. Because of the bad things of Owusu Bempah did to Prophet Kobi, the members say reduce. No two ways about that.
It means that also for Owusu Bempah as subsidy, right?
Was subsidy by Edenenim. Wow. Was subsidy but Edenenim channel. He will pay for it.
And you been a Bema or so.
Da or catch and say Megu Asoyano. Prophet Kobi catch and say, hey, beautiful. Be careful. Owusu Bempah na emfa wanu ntum. Okay. Empesa obeka na asem. Omo frɛ wɔ radio so TV so don't say anything negative. Okay. About Sofo Owusu Bempah.
Speak to the microphone, please.
Don't say anything negative about Sofo Owusu Bempah. Okay. That is what Prophet Kobi. Enti Owusu Bempah and Prophet Kobi in some by what is them kabida? Man kabida. Now I'm saying something about it.
Why are you saying it today?
I'm saying it today. Because question now will be some, I need to bring certain things in to justify certain things. Wow.
Ha! I'm sure the Power Entertainment on Power FM, Power Entertainment on Radio XYZ, Power Entertainment on TV XYZ, Power Entertainment on YouTube. That's XYZ Broadcasting. We're streaming the show live on Power 979 FM and then also on Radio XYZ here in Facebook page. Ajimani, my name is Mr. Beautiful, and yes, she say, say,
what do you say, Nando Baba? Besa Prophet Kobi cast na di na woni fie. One directly, because one more information. Also, you better yes, I don't know. One more information. As I'm talking to you, cast two woman changes here. Lincoln Navigator, brand new back, any Porsche Panamera, a woman sounds here.
Na year also for Badu Kobi
gas. Fire.
For cast saying.
For cast 3. Brand new cars.
I didn't know 5.
Almost on your duty. Almost check here, no, and government in power. Send a Prophet Kobi bomb, which is on something negative. And coming into more. But cars and woman changes here, but they will pay for it.
And also for Owusu Bempah and Mombesa.
Oh, yeah, where he told Canada Japan. I'm not catching in Japan. Making it one way for Befire, custom for Besai.
Oh, no, Canada Japan started so a year expose be. osofu Badu Kobi ho ba mu bi eba ne say no timi nya information e de kansam e fa osofu Badu Kobi ho
wo no man ga wo frɛ no